welcome back to Wall Street. It's your boy Jay Lavy. I was just getting off work, getting off the 9 to 5 grind time. But nah, for real, man. This year I said I need to start recording, get myself on camera, stop necessarily, caring if I'm it's my documentary. Fuck it, okay? It's my documentary. But yeah, so right now I got $20 in the pocket option account. Trying to see that I want to grab something to eat. If I do, I don't know what, because there's not much that I can eat, being vegan and everything like that. So I don't know what to eat. But yeah, so with the pocket option account, what I want to do is I want to flip the $20 that I got in the account. After that, pretty much we're chilling. I want to probably get it to like $50, so I'm gonna get it to $100. I'm gonna start with the risk balance of $2, $3 per trade, no higher than that. I get to $50, I'll start risking $5. But until I get to that amount, we're playing it safe, guys. But yeah, so I see you guys on the charts when I get in and settled and everything like that. And yeah, that's it. I'll be back. Yo. Welcome back to Wall Street with your boy Jay Lavy. Hey, so I know what I said at the beginning of the video. The problem was I had $20 that I had in the account, right? I was going to take that 20, flip it to 50, or possibly get it to 100. But today was not showing love to the breakout strategy, so I reverted back to what I know best: smart money, liquidity grabs, fair value gaps, premium, and discount. And I let that run on a trade duration of 3 minutes. And when I tell you it was a mucho guardado, it was perfect. It was perfect. You know what I'm saying? So I did get to my initial target, which was $50 plus some. So I made a profit of 73. I came in the market with 20, then I risked 5, then I risked $1. So I was $26 in the hole, and I made that back. I loaded the account up with the amount I had from yesterday with $50, and I basically did $5 all the way to 50. And like I said, plus some, so I made a profit today of $73. So, I'm pretty saying it's pretty much good. But if we're gonna look at it like what I really made, if I had the 20, we're gonna take out the 50. I made $23 profit today. If I'm going to ignore my profit from yesterday, so I still did a flip because yesterday I only had 100. Now I have 197, almost 200. So, I still did what I had to do. But I'm going to let y'all watch the video. I'm going to put some background sound in here now. And, just enjoy the video.
Hey, my Will. What the fuck should we do with these niggas, man? Okay. Put them in the trunk. Put them in the force. Change his name to Gump. So I let the water down, you gon' smell the skunk. Legendary, write my name in Rosetta Stone. Yo, you got a chain, but you a pump. Yeah, I got a pump, I'll let it rock like pump.
Alright, now for this part, this is what I was getting to. I was trying to get the account back to $22 because I said the conditions in the market is very, very poor. And it wasn't really volatile. It wasn't giving no clear setups. But then again, with the breakout strategy that Marcus talks about, is make sure that it's high probability. I was just so eager with trying to get this account up to my target level of $50 or 100. So I was kind of more so forcing breakout trades. So really, for today's outcome, it was based upon me with my impulsive decisions. So with trading, we always have to remember that sometimes we will let our intrusive thoughts win and impulsiveness take over. When I pull up, I'm swaggin'. He actin' like a killer nigga braggin'. Somebody tell security let the bag in. Roll up in the club and get the back in. They don't even know a nigga packing. I might be high, but I ain't lacking.
Film a little blunt, don't stress him. Gotta have a leg, cause bitch is sketchy. For his probation judge, petty. Oh, you think you got me? Let's get it. Nah, bitch is fetish. They can read about you on Reddit. I'll put your life on Amazon. Hopping out the dawn like I've been a dawn. Niggas always sour like vinegar. Tryna fit 5, 6 bitches in the car. I'm tryna fit 5, 6 bitches in the car. Niggas always sour like vinegar. I'm tryna fit 5, 6 bitches in the car. Bitch, I'm on Saturn, about to eat the moon. You won't only eat the dick, the bitch eat a shroom. Spider webbing hoes, we gon' need a broom. It's 12 a.m., but you won't see the noon.
$4.
Bitch, I better go on, I don't need a
I ain't gonna blow my $4.
through my hood, you ain't see the goon. Make the stick break dance, I don't need no tunes. Tell your bitch, hey baby, go in the room.
Alright, so when I got back into the trade, I forgot to record my screen because we see the balance is currently $2.92. I forgot to press record because I was currently trading at the time and I lost the trade. But on the previous video, I was basically getting discouraged and everything like every trader does for the day, but you know, that just comes with the game, right? But we are coming up on the ending of the video, so I'm gonna do a speed through this as well, but I will also show you where I loaded up the $50 in the account and I just flipped it to get to my target of $50 plus some. And that'll conclude today's video.
I'm off a tree, if I catch Zimmerman, let his ass die, bitch, fuck the ambulance. Let his ass die, bitch, fuck the ER. I'll drive a smart car through a street war. Many niggas sucking dick for some speed on. Got a drum, let's have a beat war. Blue jeans, gray jeans, let's have a jean war. Nigga, you need to close your eyes, you never seen one. Man, I'm fucked up, riding with that Glock. Make the gang beat your ass, bitch, I'm Papa Doc. Squally ass nigga, you a couple cop. When my locksmiths pull up and pop a lock. Close the cock and pop, pussy, what you pop and drop. I'm a son of fucking Prince like he will rap a lot.
Alright, so for this segment, I was doing pretty well off. One thing that I gotta work on is when I'm doing pocket options to make sure that I lower my risk and I get off the heavy-handed trades at times. So I'm not gonna lie, my boy Brandon told me to make sure I'm using that 3 minute. I was executing on the 1 minute, but also we're gonna see that I did get a nice flip on this, but I gave most of this profit back by overly heavy handing the trades, so I had to lower my position and use the 3 minute time frame. So I could have made possibly, I say 300 today, but you know, that's why I want to have the realistic approach, and you know, also let it be known that I'm aware of what I'm doing, of why I'm getting the results that I'm getting while trading currently. And that's the thing I feel like a lot of people that show you guys stuff on pocket options do not do. They don't show the impulsive side, they don't show why they're doing it, they don't talk about why they're doing it. So that's one thing that I care about doing, to let it be known that I am aware that I'm being impulsive and that I am having heavy-handed trades that I should not be taking at times, and kind of just over risking my profits, just being too risky with it, you know what I'm saying?
You
Right
lost.
up in here when I seen price basically first on this gap that I wanted to play out for, but I also seen that we are respecting a higher time frame breaker block. As you see on this 1 minute time frame, we tapped into it on the lower time frame. Once we break above, we're wicking on top of it. So I said, let me hurry and switch over, let me lower the time frame down some, because I feel like volatility is going to push it up, which it did. But that's when I said, you know, let me take my boy advice and switch to this 3-minute, because right now price is respected, premium and discount, liquidity grabs, and fair value got setups. But as you can see, I'm looking at the higher time frame, seeing that we're in the discount, seeing that we're in the premium, and I'm using that to my advantage. I said, you know what, I almost blew the account. Let me do the responsible thing and stop playing. Let me get these nice juicy setups, let me get these nice liquidity grabs, and let me flip this account, let me make it right, and let me go ahead and get back into action and get back in the game. You know what I'm saying? That's how I said it's all or nothing. Let me play my cards that I'm dealt and do the right thing. So, you know, with trading, we can't always just be looking at a quick flip. We got to be looking at getting money, because that's why we got money in the account, to make sure that we sitting right here and flipping it and doing right by it, not just, you know, doing stuff just to be like, look, I'm in the green. I see the green on my screen, but you know,
You lost.
that's the way the machine keep going. We got to play the cards right. So I'm not gonna lie. Right here is why I said, let me look at these time frames. See we in discount, see we in the premium, see that we in the fair value got. I'm finna sell this mode, but let me switch to the 3-minute. Let me try what my boy BA been telling me to do. Let me switch to the 3-minute to get these nice juicy setups on the liquidity. What I did, I spammed that button like no other boy, like I'm on the jackpot lottery machine, putting that slot down, boy. What you talking about? But hey, look, that was a nice setup. Nice reward. But yeah, so I ain't gonna lie, since I had to do the 3-minute patient game, I did do other things around the house while I was waiting for all my trades to clear. So what I would do is, I was coming back looking at the time frames from the daily, the 1 hour, whatever. On my next video I do, instead of physically trading, I'm gonna break down on how you can look at that, or I'm just gonna drop a video on trading view for, you know, people to look at, and how you can look at it on pocket options the same way. So if I'm not doing breakout strategy, I always revert back to smart money. But yeah, I'm gonna clip out the parts to while I was just waiting, and while I left from the computer until the parts where I see my setup coming, and I'm gonna put those on here so the video ain't as long. Alright, explaining the trade breakdown. I seen a wick. I see that we're in this fair value gap. I see that we went above those equal highs right there. So then, knowing that we had proximal entry very close to that high, I said, let me get in for a sale. And as we can see, we see this low resistance liquidity that's resting below here. We're also underneath that moving average 20. So I know that price is pushing down. We had a rejection near the proximal entry of that moving average. And as we see, we're filling orders into that order block currently. We're pushing down with speed and momentum. So this is when I, you know, just said, let me get ready for a buy right here, because now we're liquidating these orders. I see the reaction that we're having at these candles. I got in for a buy and make sure that I set that to 3 minutes. I wasn't sweating it, because once again, I know that it's pocket option. I'm just getting the turtle soup right now, so I still should come around with a nice winning trade for this $144 sale that I got in. We see that we are above this high. Do you see this down candle and up candle? So since we went down and up, we recently had a recent up and then down. That means we have liquidated that area. We should be looking to push down past the previous candle that basically went above those highs. And what my target was this final low reaching below here, and I thinking that we reached it. I'm not too sure, but that's why I took that trade. Alright, so I'm basically just looking for my next few trades and transfer my balance over. So I said, let me get this $20. Let me try to flip it. I see that we are at a high. We broke above the high, found support, and I said, let me get in for a buy, because I see that we're finding support on that breaker block. And what my target was this relative equal highs. We see I cleaned those wicks line up with each other, and I just said, let me get in for this, and I'll be done for the day, and I would have achieved my $50 goal, which I did. So that's that. And basically I left $10 in the account. I'm going to try to flip $10 tomorrow or sometime tomorrow. I just want to basically break down how you can look at these type of setups. I'm gonna decide the day that I want to. I might drop that video today. Once again, it's February 18th, or I might drop it tomorrow, sometime tonight. I don't know. But peace and love. Welcome back to Wall Street with your host, Jay Labby. I'm out. I'm about to go do some things for the day. But yeah, I'm out of here.